2 or 2a minus we have log of base 10, that is 10 raised power minus 2. Hello guys, so you're welcome back to today mathematics class for this upcoming post UTME examination. So if you are just joining us for the first time, do it to subscribe, like, ultimate button. Guess what? A benefit like this, get me be the first to notify. So I have this question to solve for you today. Okay, this is our first this is lesson 3 and this is our first question for this lesson 3. We do solve 3 questions per day, but in our very big class I have up to like 100 questions in the mathematics that we already predicted for this upcoming post examination, and we have been treating it into our very class. So I decided to be making either 2 or 3 class for free in a day to post our Facebook, on our Twitter, and our also YouTube. So you can join us there. So let's quickly dive into the solution of this problem I have to share with you today. So the question is, what is log? You have a log of 7, log of base 7, that is 49. This is log of base 7, 49 is part of a, and minus log of, we have a base 10 on bracket 0.01 plus brackets. So we want to find the log of this. So if you see this question at the first time, this place is 7. Try to write it clear. We have 7 there. So once you see this question at the first time, how do you attend to the question? How do you solve the question? Some of you are very difficult to solve it because I had this question yesterday from a VIP class. Some of the answers very difficult to solve it. Let me say there are over 200 people there. Like 50 was unable to solve it, and some majority of it they find difficult to solve it. So that is what I break it down. Some of you are still finding difficult to solve a question like this. If you see this question, this is a Post UTME examination, so you may still find it difficult to solve. So let me quickly break it down in a step by step. So let's treat it together. So the question said that log of base 7 49 is part of a, and log of 10 base 10 of bracket 0.01. How do we solve that? So in order to solve this, let's make this one, because this base, this 49, this base is as a factor of what? 49. So what I mean that we can write this 49 in index form with the help of this word, of this 7. Because this 7 is a factor of this 49. So this 49 can give us 7 base power of 2. Because 7 base power of 2 is give us 49. That is the index form. That is 7 times 7, we have 49. So it means that the index value of 49 is equal to what? 7 base power of 2. The same thing we have here also. We have 0.01. This one can be written. Let me break this one down, because this is where the student made a mistake when they're dealing with this part. In this part, you first of all, this is decimal number, you convert it to fraction to make it easy. You convert it to fraction, and how do you convert it to fraction? Well, you just convert it to fraction. Let me just give you this fast method. You consider the decimal point we have here. So after decimal point, how many digits do we have? That is 2 digits. 1, 2. That is 2 digits. It means that you divided the number we have here by 100. Got 20, it means 100. So you divide it by what? Divided by 100. So that means you have 1 over 100. I get done. If it is 0.1, how many digits after this decimal point? That is 1. So we divide the 1 by 10. That is just the logic there. Just done. But if it is 0.001, so it means that you have 3 digits after the 0. So we divide by 1 by 1000. That is just it. Hope you understand that part now. If you understand that part, let me know in the comment section. Now, let's put this that we have guessed that our 0.01 is equal to 1 over 100. Now, what is the next thing to do now? You convert this one to index power, because this one is in fraction. This one is fraction. You need to convert it to what? Indices. Convert it to index. How do you convert it to index? Let's remember this law of logarithm, law of indices, that states as a negative law of logarithm of indices. Rather, when you have of a raised power minus n, this minus way of the index here is in as 1 over. I get now. Well, a is raised power of this index as n. That is a raised power of n. That is a solution. So when you have a expression like this, is a solution. So if you consider what we have here, it's almost the same thing as a fraction, to what we have here. Something like the same expression. Okay, let me try to make this one with the same thing as equal to what we have here. This 1 over 10 raised per 100, this 100 can be expressed as index form. Like what I mean that 100 is the same thing to write 10 raised power of 2, because this 10 raised power of 2 means that we have 100 and this will give us the same thing as this. So therefore, this can becomes as 1 over that is 10 raised power of 2. So if you compare what we have here, this one and this law of indices, know that this law of indices will give this one and this one, they are almost the same thing. They are almost the same format. How we are getting to this extent now. So that means that this one can be written in this form. So let's write it in this form. We have our A is called A raised power of n, A raised power of n, and n is the, after the negative, it's raised power of n here. So that means that we have a 1 over 10 raised power of 2 is equal to, that is 10 raised power minus 2. I get now, that is 10 raised power minus 2. So that means that our 0.01 is equal to 10 raised power minus 2. So let's put it here and let's put our 7 raised power 2 into this place, and then we solve our solution. That's log of 7. We have open bracket, that is 7 raised power 2, or close bracket is also raised power of a. Okay, minus log of, we have base 10, and this one is giving us 10 raised power minus 2. How we are getting it now? So the next thing you have to do here now, this is the power law of indices. So we have 2 times a, that gives us 2a. So we have a log of, you have 7 base 7, you have this 2 times 2, this times a rather, that is give us 2 or 2a, minus, we have log of base 10, that is 10 raised power minus 2. I get now. So that will be equal to, so the next thing to do here now, if we consider the law of logarithm, when you have a log of a, log of a base log of b base a raised power of n. So this one can be expressed as, this n will come to the other side here, multiply the log, that is n log of a, log of b base a rather. I get now. So when you have an expression like this, this is solution. And when you have an expression like this is solution. So let's apply it to what we have here now. So when you apply it now, it means that this 2a will come to this side here. That's equal to log of, that is equal to 2a log of 7 base 7 minus. In this way, this minus 2 or the same thing comes to this side. That will be open bracket minus 2 log of, that is base 10 of 10. Now, if you still remember the law of logarithm also, that gives that if you have the same number as the base, log of a base a is equal to 1, and the same thing that applies to, we have log of b base b is equal to what? 1, because they are of the same number with the base. So the answer we give is equal to 1. So if you look at this one on, log of 7 base 7 will be equal to 1. Log of 10 base 10 will be equal to 1 because they carry both the same number. I get now. So this one becomes 1 and this one becomes 1. So that means we have it will be equal to, that is 2 or 2a. We have 2a left here. 2a times 1 is 2a minus, we have open brackets, we have minus 2 here, we close bracket here. I get now. So minus times minus, that will give us what? As positive. So that will be equal to, that is 2 what? A plus 2. So the answer is equal to 2a plus 2, and that is how you solve this question. So if you look at the option, let me check the option. The option is there. So if you look at the option, you discover that it is option D, the option that is 2a plus 2. So that's the solution to this problem. So guys, join us to the next class, lesson 2 for today, mathematics class for this upcoming post-term examination. And if you're writing write GC and nego GC, you can also join us in the class. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to share with a friend and family. And if you have any question, let me know in the comment section. And before we go, just let me know the name of your school so I can also walk through the past question also. Thank you. God bless you.